Navi Mumbai Metro Line 1 operations begin. New metro system for Navi Mumbai. Navi Mumbai, brace yourselves. The much-anticipated Metro Line 1 has officially opened its doors to the public, on November 17, 2023, marking a significant milestone in the city's transportation landscape. After a 13-year journey from the laying of the foundation stone in 2011, the elevated metro line connecting Belapur and Pendhar is now a reality, providing a vital link for Navi Mumbai residents. Hi friend. Welcome to SciTech Buzz channel. Please remember to subscribe to this channel after viewing this video. Kindly watch this until the end in order to receive all the details of this interesting video. In a gesture to expedite services for the eager public, Chief Minister Eknath Shinde proudly announced the commencement of metro operations without any elaborate official program. The journey to this point has been riddled with challenges, from contractor issues to technical obstacles, but the perseverance has paid off. The project was finally completed in April this year and has been eagerly awaiting its grand inauguration. The metro services will provide better connectivity within Navi Mumbai. The government aims to build a strong network of metro lines in the Mumbai metropolitan region, emphasized CM Shinde, underlining the government's commitment to enhancing transportation infrastructure. City and Industrial Development Corporation, CIDCO, had already secured the certificate of commencement of commercial operations from the Commissioner of Metro Rail Safety, CMRS, on June 21, paving the way for the much-anticipated launch. Route and timings: starting from 3 p.m. on Friday, the Navi Mumbai Metro Belapur Pendhar Line 1 will run between Pendhar and Belapur Terminal, with the last service scheduled at 10 p.m. As of November 18, the metro will kick off its services at 6 a.m., maintaining a frequency of 15 minutes until the last service at 10 p.m. The metro route, spanning 11 stations, includes Belapur Terminal, RBI Colony, Belpada, Utsav Chowk, Kendriya Vihar, Kargar Village, Central Park, Pethpada, Amandut, Pedalai and Pendhar. Metro fare: for the convenience of passengers, the fare structure for the Navi Mumbai Metro Belapur Pendhar Line 1 is as follows. 10 rupees for 0 to 2 kilometers. 15 rupees for 2 to 4 kilometers. 20 rupees for 4 to 6 kilometers. 25 rupees for 6 to 8 kilometers. 30 rupees for 8 to 10 kilometers. 40 rupees for more than 10 kilometers. Metro Line 1, all you need to know. Total distance, 11.1 kilometers. Stations, 11. End-to-end journey time, 18 minutes. Fare, 10 to 40 rupees. Frequency, 15 minutes. Future expansion: while Line 1 now connects Belapur and Pendhar, future plans include expanding the metro network with 3 additional lines. Metro Line 2, a 7.12 km stretch connecting MIDC Taloja to Kandeshwar. Metro Line 3, a 3.87 km stretch connecting Pendhar to MIDC Taloja. Metro Line 4, a 4.17 km stretch from Navi Mumbai International Airport to Panvel. Work on these lines is yet to commence. How will the metro help? The introduction of the metro is set to transform the connectivity landscape for developing areas like Kargar and Taloja, providing a robust transport link to Belapur. CIDCO Managing Director Anil Digakar emphasizes that the metro will not only enhance connectivity but also elevate Navi Mumbai's status as an international city. The metro comes equipped with a range of services, including parking spaces, ramps for disabled passengers, footpaths, spaces for auto rickshaws, provision of diesel generators for uninterrupted power, passenger announcement system, CCTV, and other essential facilities. In conclusion, the inauguration of Navi Mumbai Metro Line 1 is a momentous occasion for residents, promising improved connectivity, enhanced accessibility, and a glimpse into a future where metro networks seamlessly integrate into the city's fabric. As the trains embark on their journeys, Navi Mumbai takes a giant leap forward in its quest for modern, efficient, and sustainable urban transportation. All aboard! Stay tuned for further developments on this project. Do let us know your thoughts on the subject in the comments section. My friend, if you have found any value in this video, then kindly click on like button as an encouragement to create better quality content. Please share this video amongst your family members, friends, and in your social media network so that this information might benefit others. Don't forget to subscribe to SciTech Buzz 1 channel so that you will not miss out on any of our forthcoming videos. Thank you.